Hello students. So through this session we are starting actually with a very easy topic, although you had done many of the singular plural earlier also, but yes, few of the rules will be there regarding that, so that we'll see here in this session. And definitely here we will go with the singular and plural. Few of the singular words I will give to you people. How will you convert them in plural? That you will see. You will note down everything in your notebooks, and apart from that, whatever homework will be given to you people, that you will do exactly as it was told. So let's start with this. So students, you can see few of the singular words here on the screen, and these are ending with S, SH, Z, X. So you just keep these things in mind, that whenever you find such kinds of ending of the word, whatever I had told you, so you can use ES for making them plural. So how will you convert that? Although you had done that earlier also, that I know, but still few of the confusions are there in the mind, so that you must be clear, and this is in the syllabus, so definitely I'll have to go with that. So let's start with that. First word is there, address. So it will become addresses. ES will be used to make it plural. Next is there, ace. Aces. Bench. These all five words are there in which we will use ES for make them plural, like benches, boxes, bushes. So you can see here. Now move to the next. Now students, you can see few more words here, and these are ending with F, FE, AF. So if you find any word, any singular word which is having EF, FE, LF, like that, these kinds of examples I'm giving you here, these words in the end, so when you will have to change them into plural, so you will use ES along with them, and V will be used to make them plural. So how you will do that? See here, calf will convert into calves. For making that plural, we remove F and we used V plus ES, calves. Like that, half is there, so it will remain halves. Knife, knives, F will be removed. Loof is there. Life will become lives. So like that you will convert. Now see further, there's a bit confusion between other words that you'll see here. If you are having some words with the alphabets having at the end like I, E, F, R, F, double O, F, so these will become plural by adding S only. No need to use V, E, S like that we had done as earlier. So few of the words like that only it is given here. Like chief, chief is the word, so definitely when you'll make it plural, it will become plural by adding S only. We will not remove F and we will not use V, E, S in that. Likewise, dwarf is there, so it has become plural. Dwarfs, handkerchiefs, so likewise only you will just add S with that. Hooves, roofs, like that only. So these are a bit confusion actually between these words and the few 5-6 words I had told you before that, but yes, you will just go with that and you just revise the video wherever you have to use S, although F is there in the end, but still we are using S here. And in previous examples we had used VES for making them plural, and I have told you in which words it will work. So let's take some other examples here. Now the easy one. If you find the words having O at last and you have to convert them into plural, so you will use ES for making them plural. Like although you had done these earlier in previous classes, but still the basics must be clear to you. Like first word is given here, hero, heroes, es, because o is there in the end. Mango, mangoes. Negroes, potatoes, mosquitoes, like that only. We are simply using es after that because we are finding here o at the end of the singular word, and likewise they will become plural. So let's see further examples here. Now students, see these examples, see these words here. Although these all three words are ending with o, but we will not use here es. Why so? Because this o is following by a vowel. In each of the word you can see here again a o, a vowel is there before this. Here before this o, and vowel is there, I, again I is there, bamboo, studio, radio. So here is a twist that you will not use es if o is followed by a vowel, but you will directly use s only. So just convert it as it is. Bamboos, studios, radios. We are not using here es, you know that, because here vowel o is followed by again a vowel. So spellings will always matter when we convert singular into plural. So let's see further. So students, as we had taken the example of o, so here you can see all words are here which are ending with y. But you can notice one more thing here, that every y is following with a vowel. A-y, day, D-A-Y. Here E is there before Y. Here E is there before Y. So you can see here. And if you find any word, singular word, ending with Y, but Y is followed by a vowel, so definitely here you will put S only. Simply you will add S and it will become plural. So we'll just change it. Days, donkey will convert into donkeys. Keys, no change will be there, no es will be there, no removal of the last word will be there. Like monkey is there, so monkeys simply, and story is there, so it will become stories. So you can see here. But now see further, we'll take some other words ending with y only, but here we will use something else. Now students, you can see a few more words here on the screen, and these all words are ending with y again, but y is not following by any other vowel, but these are consonants with that. Before y you can find consonants m, d, r, t, m, l. So when such kinds of word will be there and it is ending with y, so there will be a rule that for changing them into the plural, you will remove y and you will use I and es, so that the sound must be like that only. It should not be changed and it becomes a plural. So how will you change that? Army will become armies. We'll remove y and we'll add ies. Body, bodies. Countries, ies, we are ending just here for making them plural. Duty, duties. Enemy, enemies. Fly, flies. So like that you can just convert them easily. 2-3 examples more and then we'll just see some other topic for the next one. So students, few of the words you will find which you can't convert into plural by using s or es only. And you know that what are the rules actually related to the spelling. But still few of the words used to be there in which we have to change the letters also, and not at the end but in between the word. So few words like that only will take an example. So see here, like foot, goose, man, women, child. So you must have seen these words, but yes, there are some actually language history used to be related with such kinds of words. So how will you convert foot singular word into plural? By making it feet, F-E-E-T. There will be no S-E-S, no changing of the word at the end, but the alphabets will convert in between, and likewise it will become plural, that you have seen. So a word is there, goose, so it will become geese. Man will become men in plural. Women will become women in plural, and child, you all know, it will become children. No s will be added here, as few of you used to do the mistake. So this was all about today's video, and you will note down whatever words and singular plural we had done in this video. These all you will note down in your notebooks, and apart from that, whatever homework will be given to you, you will go with that. Thank you.